Cross Keys.
Good morning,
All right, give yourselves a round of applause. You are looking beautiful.
We are here from the JIS. So what the JIS does is during Heritage Week, we travel all around the island and we share with schools like yourselves about Jamaican heritage and our culture. And when we leave here, we're going down to Marley Hill School. And when we leave there, we're going up to Rose Hill.
The donkey walk. Hold him Joe, hold him Joe, hold him Joe, hold him Joe, and let him go. Hold him Joe, hold him Joe, hold him Joe, and let him go.
Music department, big up yourself. Give yourselves a round of applause. And this is why we come. We give you something and you give us your performances in return, and then we submit them to TV and they put it on Jamaica Magazine.
Somebody bring me Bible, come give me, make me read one verse. Me say me Bible, me Bible, me Bible, and me shield. Me say me Bible, me Bible, me Bible, and me shield. Somebody bring me Bible, come give me, make me read one verse. And tomorrow when me gone, botheration day. Tomorrow when me gone, botheration day. When tomorrow when me gone, botheration day.
I'm a say dreadlocks can't live in a television. Dreadlocks can't live in a television. Too much su, and too much watchy, and too much su, and too much watchy, yeah.
I love my island, Jamaica. Land enough wood and water. Land enough wood and water.
The 14 parishes, yet well blessed from Hanover right down to St. West.
I never ask you no way you tell me. I tell you daily to cease and yet you keep talking. Oh, My granny tell me from a little baby, he that keepeth his mouth shall stay out of problem.
Make we go to the Jamaican flag. This them talk about in a them flag. The black are the herds of the nation. The green are the lush vegetation. The gold are the enough medal. That were won by the big man to the world.
Go down a Manuel Road, gal and boy, figure broke rock stone. Go down a Manuel Road, gal and boy, figure broke rock stone. And me say rock them a 1 by 1. And me say rock them a 2 by 2. And me say rock them a 3 by 3. And me say yeah. And me say yeah.
Good food and cooking in the kitchen. Good food and cooking in the pot. Pepper pot on the menu. Pepper pot for the over ya. Good food and cooking in the kitchen. Good food and cooking in the pot. Cause we not like a food groups. Cause we not like a food groups. Cause we not like a food groups. Cause we not like a food groups.
Lovely boys and girls from the Marley Hill High School, primary school. You have a very big theme this morning on that blackboard, you know. A great heritage, a great legacy. But many of us, if truth be told, don't really know what is heritage. And I know you're young, so I'm going to give it to you in a way that you will remember. Heritage is what you are born with.
We heroes are the best thing that happened to Jamaica. We are going in our history, cause we are not Jamaica by mystery. Our heroes are the best that happened to Jamaica.
Me coffee,
Me coffee, me powder, boiling coffee in them. I want to know about coffee. I care for none of these. The only thing for me is the bowl of boiling coffee in the morning. Very good.
Good morning, passengers. Good morning, sisters. When you're called, you're chosen. May I greet for the love, may I greet for the light. And when the message has come to pass, feel free to drop your paper money in our can. No, hear me, no kinds allowed, please. Bus breaching, suffer, recession, depression, and contraction of the economy. Let me hear the church say amen. Amen. This is Jamaica. Or Jamaica. The land of gold and water.
I didn't know that Jamaica looks small, but it covers half of the Caribbean.
Wait, hold on, no. Anybody wants to help her?
Jamaica covers over 4,000 squares of the Western Hemisphere. Jamaica covers over 4,000 square miles of the Western Hemisphere.
Thank you. Here you go. Who remembers the theme for Heritage Month?
A great heritage, a great legacy.
Is that right? Yes. All right, nice. Thank you.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Who is a hero? Who is a hero? This is a person who fought for our rights and freedom from slavery.
After 3. 1, 2, 3. Webster, when him do it? All right, nice.